Ay, sila pa rin ang magkakatampo. April 12 ang next natin na sparring session. Kung gustong mag-register na kayo para mahanapan kayo ng kalaro.
Po yung kanyang mga pinabas. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now go.
Mga nag-uubisip dito, babayaran natin yan. Kaya sana maintindihan nyo kahit mga maliliit. Kaya kung sakali kasi na gagastos ako lagi ng sarili kong pera para dyan, hindi sa long term. Kaya tulungan po ninyo ako, alalayan nyo ako, pero ang favor sa lahat ng kababaliyo ko, pwede kayong sumali ng walang registration.
Good! Ayos! Ayos!
Today,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for the main event of this Highland Olympia San Jose boxing competition. The event is being presented by our promoter, Mr. Arlan Nerio, from the Highland Olympia Boxing Camp and Baruch Boxing Gym. Your timekeeper for the evening, Mr. Jack Unko. And introducing your three judges, Judge Noriel Lario, Marvin Lario, and yours truly, Salvi Lopez. And when the bell rings, your man in charge of the action, Ray Lario. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime! Introducing first, our boxer from the blue corner, Eman Bautista! And his opponent across the ring, fighting from the red corner, Joshua Duraco! Vamos!
okay, boxers, go to the center for our referee's instruction. This is a 3-minute per round. 3 rounds po tayo. Okay. Timer, ready? Okay, this is the start of our first round. Ayan na, ayan na. Oops!
Yeah!
Nakatalak sa akin. Aray, aray!
Shutdown cellphone natin.